because of my teachers and my parents' support that I'm here, and thanks to PCRA also.
We are sure that we might make to the zonals, but still we are a little bit anxious about it. So, but we have done our best. We'll see what happens.
Maybe it's in our fate that we got selected, and we are really happy that we have reached such a great level, and we have got a great opportunity here. I'm sure we will make our position in top 4.
Well, the journey was fantastic.
We are not sure, but still we think, yeah, we can, maybe.
We did our best and that's all that matters.
काफ़ी कम अब पेट्रोलियम बचा है. सब लोग अगर इसको इस तरह से इस्तेमाल करेंगे जैसे वो आज के दिनों में कर रहे हैं तो पेट्रोलियम बहुत ही जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा.
Petroleum is not for forever. We need to conserve it.
Switching up to any renewable source of energy rather than a non-renewable is a good one.
Welcome everyone. Extremely well done on participating in the preliminary round. You've done very well, but unfortunately, as is the protocol, हम सिर्फ 4 टीम्स को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और उन 4 टीम्स को हमने आइडेंटिफाई कर लिया है. सबसे पहले I'd like to invite on stage from Ajit Karan Singh International School, Chandigarh, Rishu and Vaibhav. Welcome, you're on table A. Extremely well done. Congratulations. And now joining them on table B, we have Cambridge Foundation Senior Secondary School from Delhi, Nitish and Divyam. Well done, you're on table B. Continuing, now on the other side of the table, representing KVC TPP from Rajasthan, Gaurav and Subhash. You're on table C. The final team in our North Zone final, the Indian Nurturers completing the lineup on table D is the team from Army Public School, Janglot from Jammu and Kashmir, Rohini and Ishita. Congratulations everyone. Did you know that the area of ice in the Arctic Ocean in 2015 was only 64% of what it was in 1979? And did you know that if the current rate of global warming of 1.5 degrees continues, then 70 to 90% of coral reefs will be projected to decline, but if it increases to 2%, that will be 99%. And did you also know that if the current rate of carbon emission remains unchecked, the Amazon rainforests are set to lose up to half of their plants and animal species. और बताऊं, आइए मेरे साथ. Hello, welcome, सत श्री अकाल. ये है PCRA Presents सक्षम का नया साल. That is PCRA Presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2019. It's a game of nerves, it's a game of knowledge, and it's a game where we talk about the future of our beautiful planet. मैं हूं आपका होस्ट अजय पुनिया और मेरे साथ हैं इंडियन नर्चरर्स, that is 4 of the finest teams from North India competing here today to kickstart the zonal editions here at the Doordarshan Studios, New Delhi. And I'm not alone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome on stage my friend, your ally and your co-host.
Conserve it, to save it, to protect it as much as we can. And this is only possible, Ajay, if we have a change in our mindsets, right? So, if we want to change our mindset, we need to change, we need to take a step forward to change the society. क्योंकि अगर हम अपनी सोच में बदलाव लेकर आते हैं, तभी अपने समाज में बदलाव लेकर आते हैं और पूरी दुनिया भर में बदलाव लाने की क्षमता रखते हैं. Well, we have our quiz master, Ajay Punia with us. तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि इनसे बेहतर कोई और हमें समझा सकता है, हमें एजुकेट कर सकता है कि कैसे हम अपनी इस धरती माँ को बचा सकते हैं, उन्हें कंजर्व कर सकते हैं. तो अगर हम आपसे पूछें अजय कि हम अपनी धरती माँ को कैसे बचाएं, तो आप उसके लिए क्या करते हैं?
since I'm associated with this field of education, and as I and other people call me a quiz master, I think it's more about education. So which is what we here today for. And I intend to educate and learn while educating each one of our lovely, bright participants on our en route to qualification into the final of this lovely event. I think education is what I would leave you with. Education.
Nice and brilliant answer, we must say. So आज हम सब यहाँ पर हैं PCRA यानी कि पेट्रोलियम कंजर्वेशन रिसर्च एसोसिएशन की वजह से, जो कि एक सोसाइटी है अंडर द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पेट्रोलियम एंड नेचुरल गैस लिमिटेड, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. और सक्षम क्विज कॉन्टेस्ट इज वन ऑफ द 3 नेशनल लेवल कॉन्टेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज्ड फॉर स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स, एस्से पेंटिंग एंड क्विज. और इन सब के पीछे सिर्फ एक वजह, और वो क्या है? दैट इज टू प्रमोट फ्यूल कंजर्वेशन एंड एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी.
Thank you. And for our viewers at home, you must be thinking कि मैं इनको Indian nurturers क्यों बोल रहा हूँ? Actually, Namita, that's a title that they've earned.
Okay.
In the beginning of this quiz, they first participated in a school online round, and then वहाँ पर जीतने के बाद they moved on to the district round.
Wow.
After that, वहाँ पर भी जीतने के बाद they moved on to the state and union territory round. और फिर भी वहाँ जीतने के बाद आज सुबह, अब से थोड़ी देर पहले, हमने एक प्रिलिमिनरी राउंड ऑर्गेनाइज किया था और वहाँ पर भी ये लोग जीते थे. क्या बात है, क्या बात है, अमेजिंग.
Incredible, you must say. So, हमारे साथ आज यहाँ पर 4 टीम्स हैं. So, हम एक एक करके उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कर देते हैं आप सबके सामने. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट ऑल ऑफ यू. आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद मैं और अजय देना चाहेंगे कि आप यहाँ हमारे साथ पहुंचे. तो स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारी टीम ए, हु इज फ्रॉम अजीत करम सिंह इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक स्कूल चंडीगढ़. प्लीज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Hi, I am Rishi Kumar from Ajit Karam Singh International Public School, Chandigarh, and I study in class 8th.
Hello, this is Vaibhav Mehra, and I study in class 10th, Ajit Karam Singh International Public School, Chandigarh.
Wow, can we have a huge round of applause for them, please? Now, we are going to introduce the second team, which is Team B with us from Cambridge Foundation Senior Secondary School, Delhi. So please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, I am Nitish Mendolia. I currently study in class 9th and I am from Cambridge Foundation School.
Hi, I am Divyam. I study in class 10th and I am also from Cambridge Foundation School.
Wow, amazing.
Welcome to Cambridge Foundation.
So आज हमारे साथ जो तीसरी टीम है, यानी कि हमारी टीम सी, वो है KVCTPP राजस्थान से. आप भी अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए प्लीज.
Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav Kumar and I am from class 9th from KVCTPP Chavda, Rajasthan.
Hello everyone, my name is Subhash Lodha. I study in class 10 from KVCTPP Chavda.
Welcome both of you. And we have our last team, Team D, जो आज गर्ल पावर के साथ हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं. So वो है आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल जंगलोट JNK, यानी जम्मू एंड कश्मीर से. So can we have a huge round of applause for them? अभी अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कीजिए प्लीज.
Yes, my name is Ishita and I am studying in class 10th from Army Public School, Janglot.
I'm Rohini Sharma, studying in class 9th from Army Public School, Janglot.
वाओ, तो आप सब तैयार हैं आज पूरी तरह से? नर्वस तो नहीं है? नो, सिर्फ यहीं से क्यों आवाज आ रही है?
I didn't hear any no coming from this side. Are you nervous? Are you excited? Are you looking forward?
We are looking forward and we are excited.
So teams, if you're ready, we shall start round number 1. Yeah? This side, yes?
Yes, sir.
This side, yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, on your screen, first round, spoiled for choice.
So we are moving forward to our first round, which is spoiled for choice. Now this is the simplest amongst all the rounds. First of all, I must tell you, this is a kind of a warming up exercise that we already do in our daily lives. So we have it on your TV screens. Spoiled for choice is about multiple choice question per team. I'll ask one question to each team. First of all, starting from team A, you will be having 3 attempts to answer the question. If you will answer at the first attempt, means on the first clue that will be given to you for the question, then you will be adding plus 15 points to your team. If you miss it, you will answer at the second attempt, you will get plus 10 points. And if at the third attempt, you will get plus 5 points. And if not at all, means you will not answer the question rightly, or either you'll answer it wrongly. There will be no negative marking, first of all, and also there will be no passing of question. Right, Ajay?
That is correct. But if in all 3 tries, अगर आप answer करने में सफल नहीं हो पाते हैं, तो 4th try के लिए, that will also be for you. But for that, we'll look into each other's eyes, we'll keep a big smile on our faces, and then together we'll read out the remaining answer that wasn't given.
Yeah.
Right, so that's what we will do. But no negatives, as Namita clearly said. So we'll start now. First question is for Team A from Chandigarh. This is on your screen now. This measuring scale is called Lidu in China. My question is, what is it called in the rest of the world? Is it A, the Richter scale? Is it B, the Fukushima scale? Is it C, the Scoville scale? Or is it D, the Fujita scale? It's called Lidu in China, but what do we call it in the rest of the world, including in India? Right, so you have 3 tries. For first try, for 15 points, your answer is?
A. Richter scale.
A. Richter scale. That is correct. Absolutely. Very well done. Wow. Team A, Ajit Karan International School, opening the account with a 15-pointer. Absolutely brilliant here from Team A, starting with a 15-pointer. Well done. Now, we move across to Team B from Delhi, Cambridge. This is your question. Are you ready? Mount Erebus is the most active volcano in which continent? Is it A, Europe? Is it B, Australia? Is it C, Antarctica? Or is it D, Asia?
I think the answer is A, Europe.
A, Europe. I'm afraid that is incorrect. But that's okay.
You can
10
take
points.
the second attempt,
Yeah.
of course.
10 points still available.
Australia.
Europe, Australia.
Your second guess
Australia.
is Australia.
Australia.
I'm afraid that is incorrect as well.
Now you can take the third chance. Plus 5 points are remaining with you. So please think and then answer.
Yeah, between Antarctica and Asia, which one do you
She's
think it would
certain.
be?
D, Asia.
D, Asia. I'm afraid that is wrong as well. Oh God.
So the
What
right
do we do
answer
now?
is?
The right answer is Antarctica. Oh. So we'll move across to Rajasthan, to Kota for KVCTPP. This is your direct question. Here's question number 3. Which of these words related to climate change was coined by the American scientist Wallace Smith Broca? Is it A, global warming? Or is it B, the word climate change itself? Is it C, greenhouse gases? Or D, Kyoto Protocol?
Option A, global warming.
Option A, global warming. Namita, that is absolutely correct.
Absolutely correct.
Well done. 15 points there.
Very, very well done.
KV Rajasthan.
15.
Well done. Absolutely. Team C, you get 15 points as well. So,
Congratulations.
okay, here's your question. Team D. In 2010, which country became the first country to ban production, cultivation and sale of tobacco or tobacco-based products? Is it A, Bhutan? Is it B, Myanmar? Is it C, Sweden? Or is it D, Norway?
Is it C, Sweden?
Is it C, Sweden? I'm afraid that is incorrect. That's all right. Try for 10 points.
3 more options left. Think, be certain and then answer. Discussions का दौर अभी जारी है.
Is it B, Myanmar?
I'm afraid that is wrong as well. It's not Myanmar. Now please try for 5
You have
points.
2 attempts left. Plus 5 marking is always there for you.
Is it A, Bhutan?
It is indeed A, Bhutan. Absolutely. Finally, thankfully,
Plus 5, congratulations.
you get 5 points for answering that. So with Bhutan as the final answer and Team Jammu and Kashmir scoring 5 points on that, here's taking a look at the scoreboard after round 1. Team B from Cambridge Foundation Senior Secondary School, Delhi. Unfortunately, you didn't open your account and you're on 0, but long way to go, as I said earlier. Then we have Team D from Jammu and Kashmir, Army Public School. You're on 5 points since you gave that answer on the 3rd attempt. And it's a tie in the top spot between 2 teams, and that is Team A and Team C from Chandigarh and Kota, Rajasthan, respectively. Both of you gave the answer on the first attempt, and as a result, both of you are currently leading the score of 15 points apiece. Namita, what do you think? What will happen now?
I think कांटे की टक्कर है टीम ए और टीम सी में, है ना? दोनों लोग बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड हैं, लेकिन हाँ, हमें कहीं भी किसी को भी कम नहीं समझना है, कम नहीं आता.
It is just the beginning, Namita. Long way to go. Everything else follows on the other side of this short break. Stay with us.
पेट्रोलियम पदार्थ सीमित हैं और जल्द ही खत्म हो जाने वाले हैं, इसीलिए इन दुर्लभ पदार्थ को बचाना जरूरी है। एलपीजी बचाने के लिए प्रेशर कुकर का इस्तेमाल करें। पीसीआरए द्वारा बताए गए साधारण टिप्स अपनाइए। आइए दोस्तों, हम ईंधन बचाएं और देश की प्रगति में हाथ बटाएं।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और एलपीजी बचत के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
दिग्गज आज हमारे सामने खड़े हैं और इनके साथ हम ऑलरेडी एक राउंड खेल चुके हैं और अब वक्त है राउंड नंबर 2 का।
The round is named as Infinite Bounds. टोटल इसमें 8 क्वेश्चन होंगे जो कि आपसे पूछे जाएंगे। टीम ए से डी तक पहले 4 क्वेश्चंस पास ऑन किए जाएंगे एंड देन अगेन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मींस टीम डी टू ए 4 क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे। अगर आपको आंसर पता है, गुड इनफ, आप आंसर दीजिए। करेक्ट आंसर के 10 पॉइंट्स आपको मिल ही जाएंगे। लेकिन यहाँ पे ट्विस्ट है। अगर आपको आंसर नहीं पता है तो आप साथ वाली टीम को उसे फॉरवर्ड कर सकते हैं, पास ऑन कर सकते हैं और अगर उन्होंने उसका सही जवाब, उन्हें उसके 10 पॉइंट्स मिल जाएंगे। उनके पॉइंट टेबल में वो ऐड हो जाएंगे। लेकिन एक अच्छी बात इस राउंड में ये है कि देयर विल बी नो नेगेटिव मार्किंग, राइट?
Right, so let's see. It's time to see how these terrific teams wow us with their knowledge.
Yes.
We'll start with
Team
table
A.
A, Chandigarh. Here's your question on your screen for 10 points if you're right. Established in 1985, now with over 35 lakh students, this is the world's largest university. Please identify it. There is a visual as well to help you with that answer. Which university? They gave the tough part. This is the simpler part. They're finding difficult. Off. Okay, we'll let that be. That's okay. But that's more than enough. It is indeed IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University. Very well.
Wow.
Very well identified. There by Team Delhi. Of course, a question from a university based out of Delhi couldn't have been missed by a team from Delhi. Well done. That's amazing answer. Amazing precision. 10 points. Team B.
वेरी वेल डन। तो आपका क्वेश्चन अभी हम आपसे जो पूछने जा रहे हैं, व्हिच इज दिस ऑन योर टीवी स्क्रीन्स। This is the Jagat Shiromani Temple in Amer. It is dedicated to Lord Krishna, Lord Vishnu, and the First Lady to appear on an Indian stamp. Listen carefully. Who is that? Now, picture is also there on your TV screen. You can give the answer, the correct answer we want. You can think over it and then answer it.
Team Delhi, who's the first lady to appear on an Indian stamp? And your visual is the Jagat Shiromani Temple in Amer near Jaipur. Right,
You
can I
know
have
the
an
answer
now?
or you're passing it on?
We can try. I think so. The answer is Saraswati.
Saraswati.
Lakshmi. First lady to appear.
That
We
is-
are afraid this is the wrong answer.
Will now pass
Of course.
to Team C.
You can have a clue looking at the picture on your TV screen.
Which lady is this?
Saraswati.
That is
Saraswati
same
is
as
the
what
same
you said.
answer as you said.
Team D, you're next. Jammu and Kashmir, Army Public.
Is the answer Padmavati?
That is incorrect as well, not Padmavati. But the film was nice.
Yes, huh.
But the film was nice, so we'll move on. Team A.
So the question has been passed on to all the teams now.
So we think it is Indira Gandhi.
Indira Gandhi.
Temple.
Indira Gandhi is incorrect. I'm afraid that's not correct. So no
What is
team,
the right answer, Ajay?
no team on stage got this one. Right, the right answer is Mirabai. This is Mirabai.
So can we have a huge round of applause for Ajay here? Anyway, आप सबने कोशिश की वही बड़ी बात है. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं next question की तरफ.
Here's question number 3, and this time this will be for Team C, KV, CTPP from Rajasthan. Here's your question. In November, Indian Railways started a 16-day journey-based special train, which begins from Safdarjung here in Delhi, halts at Nandigram, Sitamarhi, Janakpur, Varanasi, Prayag, Shringaverpur, Chitrakoot, Hampi, Nasik, and Rameshwaram. My question: what is the name of this train? It covers a particular circuit, and that's why it gets its name. What is this train called? It's called something Express.
All the hints have been given to you already.
Take a good look at the places where it is stopping.
Yes.
And perhaps that will give you an idea of what is it that we are looking for.
And you'll definitely get to know.
Nizamuddin, ma'am. Hazrat Nizamuddin to.
No, I'm just looking for the name of the train.
Only the name of the train we want.
It doesn't say Nizamuddin, it just says Safdarjung in Delhi. So I think you
Rameshwaram Express.
Rameshwaram Express. I'm afraid that is wrong. We shall move on now
To the next team.
to the team of girls.
I guess it's Vidya Express.
Vidya, I'm afraid that is wrong as well. Passes now to team A. Take a good look at all the cities that it's stopping at. Perhaps that will give you an idea of, what is the name of this train. It covers a particular circuit. No answers coming.
So we can pass it on to the next team.
I think we should move on now. Namita, should we?
Yes, of course.
Okay, now to team B.
I believe the answer is Tejas Express.
I'm afraid that is incorrect. That is wrong as well. It's not Tejas either. The right answer, would anybody in the audience would like to try?
The train's name.
The right answer is the Sri Ramayan Express. Look at the places carefully. Stops at each of the significant locations in Ramayan. Right? And if you want to take a longer journey, you can extend it to international waters. You can move to Sri Lanka as well.
Now it's time to move on to our next question, Ajay.
Yes. Team D from Army Public School, this is your question. In 2015, Amar Chitra Katha released this title that celebrates an exclusive group of 21 award winners. Named after this award, what was it titled? On your screen is a visual as well. And it says, it's a blank as the title, and then as a subtitle, it says The Ultimate Honor. What do you think it is called?
Thinking under the same question.
Now, we shall move on to Team A from Chandigarh.
Sir, we believe it's the Bharat Ratna.
I'm afraid that is incorrect. It's not Bharat Ratna. That has more than 45 something winners. So not 21. We'll move on to Cambridge Foundation from Delhi.
The Mahavir Chakra.
The Mahavir Chakra. I'm afraid that is wrong as well. Finally, to Team C, Kendra Vidyalaya.
Padma Bhushan.
Are you saying the Vibhushan or the Bhushan?
Vibhushan.
Either way, both were wrong.
are
Either
not
way,
correct.
both were wrong. And Team B, you will really regret missing this. The right
chakra, it
answer
was some
was
chakra.
Paramveer Chakra.
That's
Not
the right
Mahavir
answer.
Chakra. Why would you say Mahavir Chakra?
And they're always close to the
Actually,
answer.
I forget the names at the last moment.
Okay, so we'll start with the second part of this round, and this time, Namita, we will reverse the order. We will start with Team D. Team D, you'll get this question, and then we'll move on to Team C, B, and finish it up with Team A. So Team D, Jammu and Kashmir, if you're ready, here's your question on your screen. Founded in 2018, which actor is the national convener of this party, whose name means People's Center for Justice, and whose symbol that you see here in the visual showcases the 5 southern states and 1 union territory. The 5 southern states and 1 union territory. The union territory, of course, as you're well aware, is Pondicherry, and the other 5 states in the southern part of this country.
The answer is very simple. we must say. And if you see South movies, you can recognize his name, I believe. That's the biggest hint we gave you right now.
Prakash Rawat.
Prakash Rawat, I'm afraid that is wrong. It's not Prakash Rawat. We'll move on to team 3. No? I'll move on.
You're passing it on?
We shall move to Cambridge Foundation, Delhi.
I believe the answer is Jitendra.
Jitendra, that is incorrect as well. And finally to team Chandigarh.
I believe the teams are a bit pressurized, right?
I don't think they're attempting. So that brings us to the end of this question as well. The right answer, anybody in the audience would like to try?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Is incorrect. Somebody else?
Kamal Hassan.
Kamal Hassan,
Yes, that's
absolutely.
the right answer. And can we have the honor of knowing your name, please?
My name is Om Prakash.
So wow, congratulations once again to Om Prakash ji, जिन्होंने यहाँ पर आज सही जवाब दिया है, which is Kamal Hassan. मुझे लगता है ये मूवी देखने का काफी शौक रखते हैं, right?
Absolutely, I'm sure of that. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. That is number 6, and that's for Team C. K. Kamraj said, "What are you doing with these cows? Why didn't you go to school?" The boy said, "If I go to school, will you give me food to eat? I can only learn if I eat." My question is, what school-based initiative was started as a result of this conversation?
Midday meal.
Is correct. Absolutely.
Wow, very, very well done.
Without even blinking, without even waiting for us. Yeah, absolutely. This is indeed the midday meal scheme. So the idea came to the former CM of Tamil Nadu, Mr. K. Kamraj, when he had this little conversation with a boy on the streets. And he said that if I go to school, will you give me food to eat? And here we are with such
And that was a nice question asked by the boy, है ना?
Yeah.
Now we are going to ask the 7th question. First of all, the video is on your screen. You can watch it, and then we'll ask the question.
ट्रेनिंग इसकी जरूरत थी जिसकी वजह से हम बगैर किसी तकलीफ के सक्सेसफुल टॉकिंग कर पाए हैं।
ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको?
So, the question is, what did Rakesh Sharma reply to Indira Gandhi? जब उन्होंने उनसे पूछा
कि ऊपर से भारत कैसा दिखता है आपको? What did Rakesh Sharma reply?
सोने की चिड़िया.
ऊपर से
We are afraid.
That is
Not
incorrect.
the right answer.
Not सोने की चिड़िया.
I know. So now we are passing it on to the other team, Team A.
Chandigarh.
बहुत अच्छा.
I'm afraid I can't say that for your answer. Even though I wanted to, but I can't. It's not बहुत अच्छा.
Now, passed on to the other team.
सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
Wow!
Is correct.
Amazing! Congratulations!
सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा.
And they were really close to that. Now time to ask the 8th question, which is for Team A. Which important person from India's freedom struggle in this Google Dougal based on? The lady who's sitting on the chair. Who is she? On your TV screens.
पंडिता रमाबाई.
Hard luck. It's not the right answer. Now we have to pass on the question to the next team. What is the right answer? Do you know that?
Annie Besant.
Annie Besant is the right answer. Correct. Very well done.
Well done, Team Army Public School. That's two back-to-back answers. 10 points on each one of them. Absolutely brilliant. All right, that brings us to the end of round 2 as well. We're halfway into this quiz. Time for us to take a look at the scoreboard.
So अब वक्त है एक बार फिर से स्कोर बोर्ड की तरफ रुख करने का. स्कोर बोर्ड कहते हैं कि टीम बी है पॉइंट 10 पर, इसी के साथ टीम ए है पॉइंट 15 पर, और टीम सी और डी के बीच में हुआ है टाई, who are on 25 points. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the teams, please? Now this is the time to take a short commercial break. We'll be back in no time, so don't go anywhere. Stay with us in PCRA presents Saksham 2019.
ये लो. गुड न्यूज सर, आज से आपको पेट्रोल पे 20% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. 20%. लॉटरी लग गई तो मेरे बाकी के पैसे क्यों डाले? वो तो आपके हाथ में ना। 45 की स्पीड पे गाड़ी चलाइए, रेड लाइट पे इंजन ऑफ कर दीजिए, 20% पेट्रोल तो जरूर बचेगा। बात तो वही है ना।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
Okay, so it's time now to begin
to move on to our next round.
Third round, absolutely. And this round is called Take Your Pick.
Yes, take your pick. अब इसे बहुत ध्यान से सुनना होगा सभी टीम्स को. Let us tell you 8 टॉपिक्स इसमें डिस्प्ले किए जाएंगे आप सबके टीवी स्क्रीन्स पर, जो कि अभी आपके सामने आ जाएंगे. एंड देन आपको उसमें से अपने लिए टॉपिक सिलेक्ट करना है. जो भी टॉपिक आप सिलेक्ट करेंगे उसके लिए मार्किंग्स दी गई हैं. मार्किंग्स आर लाइक +15, +10, +5. जैसे कि आप समझ ही गए होंगे, थोड़ा सा मुश्किल टॉपिक अगर आप सिलेक्ट करते हैं तो आपको +15 मिलेगा. अगर आप थोड़ा सा आसान की तरफ जाने की कोशिश करेंगे, उसे चूज करेंगे तो +10 मिलेगा. और अगर उससे भी आसान की तरफ जाएंगे तो आपको मिलेगा +5 पॉइंट्स. लेकिन मार्किंग्स आपको दी ही जा रही है, मतलब आपके पास मौका है पॉइंट्स गेन करने का इसमें. But yes, teams to pick a topic one by one in ascending order of their scores. Right, Ajay? Is that enough?
Nope, absolutely not. कहानी में एक ट्विस्ट जरूर है जो आप मिस कर गए हैं, और वो ये, because this round will be on the buzzer for the other teams. जो भी टीम बजर दबाएगी, except of course the direct team, जो भी टीम बजर दबाएगी, if they give me a wrong answer, there's a -5. Key details. The details always are the most important ones. Right, so -5 if you give me a wrong answer on the buzzer. So, without further ado, let's begin. Here's a look at the topics. Alright, so we'll start this round with Team B, because you were on the bottom of the table. You were on 10 points before we started this round. So, what do you want first?
We would like to go for the terms.
You'd like to go for terms. Here's your question for 10 points. Team B, other teams, you're on the buzzer. The term was used by the Brundtland Commission, which coined what has now become the most often quoted definition of this as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Team B.
Sustainable development.
Sustainability.
Sustainable
development.
Please don't try changing the answer and makes my life difficult. It is indeed sustainable development. Absolutely.
Wow.
That's the answer there. Team B, well done.
And they knew the answer. That was very nice.
Direct question, direct answer. You get 10 points. Now, we'll go back and we move on to the next team. That is Team Chandigarh. Next one's yours. What do you want?
National parks.
National parks? Here's your question for 10 points. The history of this as a protected area can be traced back to 1904, when Lady Curzon visited the area but failed to find even a single unicornis. She then urged her husband, that is of course Lord Curzon, to take urgent steps, and thus it was created in June 1905 on the banks of Sangpo River. What am I talking about? Which national park is this?
So we think it is the Kaziranga National Park.
Is correct. Absolutely.
Only the second answer. Wow.
The Kaziranga National Park, the unicornis of course being the single-horned rhinoceros. Very well identified there by Team A, and you get 10 points as well. Now moving on to the other side of the stage, to our joint leaders. First, we'll start with Team Rajasthan, Team C. What do you want?
Telecommunication. It's 5 points. Means I would be asking a question to you. So now, my question to you is on the TV screens, which is, if 3 short, 3 long, 3 short is Morse code for SOS, then what would be 3 short, 2 long, 3 short in the telecom industry?
The question's still open on the buzzer for +5.
You can hit the buzzer if you know the answer.
-5 for any of the other teams that are interested.
And +5 points is, I think, very much easier than the +15 and +10 ones.
To think carefully, they just really need to work out.
And you are leading, of course.
Finally, somebody's shown interest, and that is Team A from Chandigarh, but you will wait.
Yeah.
We're still with Team Rajasthan.
505.
505. Hard luck. That's not the right answer. Now, we are passing it on to
So
Team
we think
A.
it is SMS.
Is correct.
SMS is the right answer. +5 points to Team A.
Team C, all you have to do S and S were already given. You just had to work out one letter. So SOS becomes SMS. Telecom industry was the biggest clue of all. Very well identified there by Team Chandigarh. Back-to-back answers from them. They get 5 points this time.
And Team C missed the M. You missed the shot. Now we are moving on to the next question and the topic. What do you want, Team D?
Doctors.
Doctors question.
Plus
15.
Pointer.
The most difficult one.
Good luck with that, but that's certainly your decision. Here's your question on your screen. Ignaz Philipp Semmelweis was a Hungarian physician, and he observed that childbirth fever could be drastically lowered by performing one very simple task by doctors. So simple that we now take this task for granted, and he was known as the savior of mothers. What step did he recommend for doctors? A very simple step that we now take for granted. It's so commonplace that you would, once when you know the answer, you will really struggle to believe that it needed a recommendation. Yeah.
So answer is simple. Just think wisely, and then if you are certain about that, answer the same.
Ami Public School?
Sterilization.
Your answer is sterilization. What do you think? How did they do their sterilization?
By boiling that bottles, like taking water and then keeping the bottles in that utensil and boiling.
That is incorrect. I'm afraid. The buzzer is still open. Anybody interested for 15 points? You don't lose any points.
Nobody has still hit the buzzer.
I think nobody
is going to, right?
Keen on going for the buzzer, so I think we should. No, just in time.
Wow!
Team C from Rajasthan.
You can give the answer.
Ma'am, Tikakaran.
Tikakaran.
That is incorrect as well, I'm afraid. It's not vaccination or Tikakaran. That's a -5 to you. Team C, Rajasthan. The right answer is a simple task, as simple as washing hands. Now, we're through with the first part of this round. Another half left, and we'll continue the order that we followed. So yet again, we'll start with Team B. Team B, you get to pick the next topic. What do you want?
Environmental phenomena. Environmental phenomena. It's for +5 points. Means my turn to ask the question.
Go for it, Namita.
The question is on your TV screens, which is, what phenomena is depicted here?
Ozone layer depletion.
Oh wow, you know the answer. It's the correct answer. Congratulations. Like मेरे सवाल करने से पहले उनको जवाब पता था. That was really, really nice. Very well done.
Team D did go for it. I'm sure they knew it as well. But Team B lived up to the task, live up to the billing. Absolutely. 5 points to you. Well done.
Now, we are moving on to the next topic for Team A. Which topic do you want?
Team A?
We would like to choose Toyota cars.
Toyota cars for 10 points.
All right, here's your question. This car is named after the Latin word for before. Its manufacturing company said they named it so since it is a predecessor of cars to come. Which car is this from the house of Toyota? Comes from the Latin word for before. They named it so because they said that it is a predecessor of cars to come. Which car
Toyota
is
the
this?
brand name, and which car is that?
No? Which Toyota car is this? Since there are no negatives, you might as well take a guess. No. I think so.
If you want to take a guess, you can, because there will be no negative marking. And if the other team knows the answer, they can hit the buzzer. They cannot raise their hands to answer.
Right, I think we should close this now. Don't think any answer is coming from Team Chandigarh. The right
What's the correct answer
is the same word with the same root word that is the root word for the word prior, and that gives you the Toyota Prius. That's the answer, the hybrid vehicle, the Toyota Prius. And I think with Team B's reaction, you perhaps
you missed that, no?
How many times will you
And
take
they
this?
always, obviously. They always do this.
How many times in this case you'll be doing this? Always knowing the right answer, but just too scared of going for it. Nevertheless, hard luck to Team A. No negatives though. The right answer was Toyota Prius, which nobody identified, and as a result, we'll have to close this question and continue with this quiz and move on to the next team, that is Team D from Jammu and Kashmir.
Which topic for you this time?
Ministry ambassadors.
Ministry ambassadors.
Namita.
Nice. Means Once again, my turn to ask the question. And the question on your TV screens is, the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship, in its most recent campaign, announced which on-screen couple as their brand ambassador based on the plot of a 2018 movie. It's the most simple answer.
Akshay Kumar and Bhumi.
No, Hadla, that's the wrong answer.
But no negative. It's still open on the buzzer.
Anyone else who wants to answer can press the buzzer.
For +5 and -5.
Nobody else knows the answer.
I think we'll have to close this.
हम ऑडियंस से पूछना चाहेंगे, देखिए सबको पता है लग रहा है. So what is the right answer? Who want to give that answer? That girl sitting at the end.
My name is Nishtha Sachdeva and the answer is Sui Dhaga.
Wow, Nishtha Sachdeva, you can please be seated on your seat. And निष्का ने भी वही जवाब दिया वैसे जो मैं सपने में भी सोच सकती थी.
The Sachdevas can never go wrong.
Of course, yes. Congratulations to us.
So we'll move on now to our final question of this round, and that's for Team Rajasthan, Team C. With your permission, I shall open rejected logos for 15 points. Here's your question. These are rejected symbols for which famous logo that depicts something harmful? The current logo is a very, not too close, but still somewhat close enough variation of the logos that were rejected and that you see on your screen. What am I talking about? No one's trying for 15 points. All right. Team A, you will wait. We still with Team C. They've shown some interest. All right, I need to have an answer now because there's another team waiting.
You want to give the answer? You can give the answer because there is no negative marking.
Yes.
Recycling.
That is incorrect. It's not harmful. In fact, that's something that you should allow.
Yes,
and keep
of
on doing
course.
time and again whenever
That's
you get
the
a
wrong
chance.
answer.
Now, passes to Team A.
Sir, we believe it is the skull and bones shown within a yellow triangle.
That is incorrect. I'm afraid that's the wrong answer. That's a -5, Team Chandigarh. And that was an answer that was too far-fetched. The right answer is Biohazard. This was the logo, the rejected logos for Biohazard. Right. So that's the end of round number 3 as well. The scores are as follows. It's Team C that's moved behind. They were leading in the early part of this quiz, but they've moved behind, but not too far behind. They're on 20 points. And then comes the fun.
Yes.
3 teams, teams A, B and D, all 3 of them from different parts of the country, different parts of North India, all 3 of them tied with a score of 25 points.
That's really amazing. Can we have a huge round of applause for all the teams present here?
Right, more fun and games will continue in the final push towards the qualification for the national final. That's on the other side of this short break. You don't want to miss this.
मैंने सोच लिया है, जब मैं बड़ा हो जाऊंगा ना, तब मैं साइकिल रिपेयर की दुकान खोलूंगा।
क्यों?
जिस तरह आप सब पेट्रोल वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, फ्यूचर में तो पेट्रोल बचेगा ही नहीं, तब तो सब साइकिल ही चलाएंगे ना।
खुद ही सारा पेट्रोल खत्म करेंगे या कुछ अपने बच्चों के लिए भी छोड़ेंगे? प्लीज कम से कम सिग्नल पे तो इंजन ऑफ कीजिए।
पीसीआरए का एंड्रॉइड ऐप डाउनलोड करें और ईंधन बचाने के उपाय जानें। पेट्रोलियम संरक्षण अनुसंधान संघ, पेट्रोलियम एवं प्राकृतिक गैस मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
Welcome back once again to PCRA presents Saksham 2019, जिसके लिए आज हम सब यहाँ पर इकट्ठा हुए हैं. So now you all ready for the last round, means the 4th round? चलिए, तो मैं रूल्स एक्सप्लेन कर देती हूँ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई टेल यू व्हाट इज द राउंड. दिस इज क्लूटोपिया. क्लूज इसमें आपको मिलने वाले हैं. टोटल 5 सवाल रहने वाले हैं जो आप सबसे पूछे जाएंगे. दिस वुड बी अ बजर राउंड. अलग अलग टीम्स से सवाल नहीं किए जाएंगे. द मोमेंट वील आस्क द क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू प्रेस द बजर, हिट द बजर एंड गिव द राइट आंसर इफ यू नो इट करेक्टली. नाउ अगर आपने सवाल सुनते ही यानी कि पहला क्लू सुनते ही जवाब दे दिया तो आपको +15 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. अगर आपने दूसरा क्लू यानी कि जो वोवेल्स होंगे उनको सुनकर जवाब दिया तो आपको +10 पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. और अगर आपने तीसरा क्लू यानी कि एनाग्राम्स पर जवाब दिया तो आपको मिलेंगे +5 पॉइंट्स. Now is that fine? या अभी भी कोई ट्विस्ट है? पिक्चर अभी बाकी है?
Of course, twist तो बचा ही है, and that is of course whenever buzzers are introduced, there will be a negative. So -5 on either of the 3 clues. From the first clue you hit the buzzer, give me a wrong answer, there's a -5. But of course, if you give me a right answer, you get 15 points. Second clue पे भी same. 10 minus 5, third par bhi same, plus 5 and minus 5. So minus 5 remains constant. There's only one buzzer per clue. So maximum 3 attempts per question. Here's the first question. First clue on your screen for plus 15 and minus 5 common to all 4 teams. Listen to the audio. Right, here's the question. The song Saya Thunga Fulka, or Made of Hundreds of Flowers, is the national anthem of which country? The audio that you heard was the national anthem of which country?
Every team is thinking, discussing, but not pressing the buzzer. They are afraid of having a minus 5 if they'll get a wrong answer.
But there are 2 more clues. It's okay if you don't hit the buzzer right now. It's a very close contest. We'll move on to clue number 2. Right, we have team A that went for it first. Chandigarh went for it first, just milliseconds ahead of both teams B and team C. Well, let's see what Chandigarh's got.
So we think it's
Nepal.
Is correct.
Is
That's
the right answer.
Very good answer. This is indeed Nepal with E and A visible, filling in the N, P and L. Absolutely lovely answer there by Team Chandigarh. Moving on to question number 2, first clue on your screen. A documentary on global warming that was intended to serve as a global warning went on to win 2 Oscars. My question, it was based on which former US Vice President? The documentary is called An Inconvenient Truth. It's a series of presentations made by this former US Vice President. Which former US Vice President is being spoken
I think
of?
we should give the second clue.
Yes, time for the second clue. Right, so
The vowels are there, A, O and E. You have to fill in the blank.
2-word name.
It has now become simple.
Who's this former US Vice President?
Nobody knows
One's
the answer.
trying. Perhaps we'll move on to the third clue for 5 points and minus 5.
Now, these are jumble letters. You need to arrange these letters and form a full name of the person asked to. But they are trying hard to know that.
Who's trying for 5 points? Finally, Team B from Delhi.
AG roll.
AG roll.
I'm afraid that's incorrect. It's not AG roll. Whoever that is, the right answer is the former US Vice President Al Gore.
Al Gore is the right answer.
That's the right answer. Made a series of presentations, and which is what the film was based on by Mr. David Guggenheim.
Now, time to move on to the next question, which is on your TV screens now.
This sect was founded by Sri Guru Jambeshwar after a drought in Marwar region. He made a community having 29 principles to follow. Further, he directed the worship of Lord Vishnu. Killing animals and felling of trees was banned. Which sect am I talking about? Founded by Sri Guru Jambeshwar after a drought in Marwar region.
The answer becomes simpler if the question is long, I believe. There are so many hints in the question
There
itself.
are a lot of clues in the question. No one's trying, so we'll move on for the second clue for 10 points.
So we should move on to the second clue, I believe. So, I-O-I. Now you need to just fill in the blank and complete.
It's a 7-letter answer.
Which sect we are talking about?
For 10 points. Who's trying? Finally, Jammu and Kashmir, taking the bait. Your answer
Bishnoi
is correct.
Correct answer. Absolutely right. Very well done.
Here's question number 4. Which ancient Indian text contains rules and regulations on how to run a protected forest or abhyaranya? Which ancient Indian text contains rules and regulations to how to run a protected forest? Which ancient Indian work is this?
I think to identify the answer on the first clue is a bit difficult for the
So
teams.
we'll move on to the second clue for 10 points.
So now we are moving on to the second clue, which is on your TV screens. Now all the A's are on the TV screen.
Your answer, Team B, you've hit the buzzer. Your answer is?
Abhay Arnaya.
No, that's it.
If you were playing on the strategy that I have made a mistake by placing the answer in the question, my friend, that's a very bad strategy. All right, that's a -5. Hard luck. We'll move on to clue number 3 for +5 and -5. Yes, Team A, your answer.
Arthashastra.
Written by? Kautilya or Chanakya. Absolutely, that's the answer. Arthashastra. Well done, Team Chandigarh. It's a 5-pointer for you. -5, I'm afraid, the previous one for Team B. Now, for the final question of this quiz, here's the first clue on your screen. Good luck to each one of you.
Please press the buzzer if you're certain about the answer, because this is a very crucial round that can decide your fate for today.
He is MS Swaminathan, who is called as the father of blank blank in India. Please fill in the blanks. Team D, Jammu and Kashmir, you've hit the buzzer. Your answer?
Green Revolution.
Father of Green Revolution in India, MS Swaminathan is correct. That's the answer.
On the first clue, they have answered. So they are focused about what they are saying.
Team Army Public School gearing up when it mattered the most, right? Giving a 15-pointer. I don't know if that has really helped your cause and helped you qualify into the final. But looking at other
really
people's,
doing well.
Yeah, but looking at other people's expressions, perhaps you've done yourselves a huge favor.
Yes.
Let's take a final look at the scoreboard. So as predicted, it is indeed Army Public School from Jammu and Kashmir who've done themselves a huge favor.
Wow!
By answering that final question. Namita, your prediction turned out absolutely correct.
Congratulations to the girl power we have. A huge round of applause for once again the beautiful girls we have on the show.
Team A from Chandigarh, you finished with a score of 40 points. As a result, you finished second. Very well done. My consolations to Team C, who started really strong but couldn't sustain that momentum. And as a result, you finished third with a score of 20 points. And finally, it is Team B. Some rather unfortunate answers by you towards the end meant that you finished fourth in this quiz with a score of 15 points. But nevertheless, very well done.
Next time.
Each one of you, congratulations for being here on this stage. And congratulations one more time to Team Army Public School from Jammu and Kashmir.
And now we would like to welcome the Director PS, PCRA, Shri Rakesh Ahuja ji on stage with a huge round of applause. First of all, and sir, first of all, welcome to our quiz contest. And I believe you're feeling good here among all the students. And what do you like to say about this quiz to the students? What do you want to say to them to motivate them, please?
You are aware that fossil fuels are not going to last long. And in India, basically, we're importing around 82%, whereas domestic production is only 18%. This involvement of kids in this program basically is to tell them basically to conserve the fuel and act as a brand ambassador of PCRA to conserve the fuel, give awareness about your colleagues, your friends, your parents, how to conserve fuel. We consider you as a link in the long chain. So I request all the kids to act as a brand ambassador of PCRA to spread the message of how to really conserve the fuel. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now we would like to request you to please give away the prizes to the contestants.
There are prizes for all the contestants who come from different parts of North India. आपको याद होगा कि आज के शो की शुरुआत में मैंने आपको कुछ दिल दहला देने वाले और कुछ हार्ड हिटिंग फैक्ट्स बताए थे। एक फैक्ट और बताऊंगा, और वो ये कि सब इतना भी खराब नहीं है, कुछ अच्छी स्टोरीज भी हैं। देयर आर सम पॉजिटिव स्टोरीज एज वेल। जैसे Sweden passed a law to become carbon neutral by 2045, and Norway passed a bill in the parliament to cut their greenhouse gas emissions to zero by 2030. And International Energy Agency recently predicted that the number of electric vehicles will increase from 3 million to 125 million by 2030.
So dekha aapne, the whole world is future ready and becoming more efficient. And as PCRA, through its initiatives of promoting energy efficiency, you, me and all of us can work together, can join hands to make this world a better and an excellent place. Aao banaye ek behtar kal.
This is Ajay Punya.
And this is Namita Sachdeva.
Signing off from Doordarshan Studios in New Delhi from PCRA presents Saksham Quiz Contest 2019. We'll see you in the next episode when we travel east and meet Indian energizers.
So as of now, goodbye, take good care of yourself, stay blessed and keep smiling.